That was gifted to us when we went to Roman University of Theology. So please, that was.
There was a place for employees class.
Not glass. We have one building where the windows are made of bottles, discarded bottles. Those bottles are transparent. You're not supposed to go that side. Please.
Hello, don't go there.
You're not supposed to go that side. That is for the staff. Bhaiya Zindagi is working over here.
The students, they have made minds, no? Everything.
The floor where you are standing, listen to me. The floor where you are standing, even that is also recycled. It has been made with tonaway stones, marbles, granites. Yes, yes. Minimal of cementing is used over here because cement draws a lot of heat. If you are listening to me, kindly get up from there. Cement draws a lot of heat from this place. And if you see the windows over here, they have got colorful paints. At least till 7:30 in the evening, we don't require any light. Okay, moonlight is there. Okay. So this is a safe place. Up and down we have dormitories. Whenever we have residential camps over here,
Wonderful
up
house.
and down. If you are listening to me,
Hello,
all the
listen.
boys and the girls,
Listen.
yes, +2. We have dormitories up and down separately for the boys and the girls over here. Here also the same thing, electricity, even the water is also pumped. Everything with the help of solar energy. So whatever you will make today, maybe 2 to 3 of some of the things, we can display it over here. So that tomorrow when the school comes, we can say that yes, Mount Literacy school was here. Okay. 4-4 inch gap between the bricks. Okay, the way the architecture is. In the last 25 years, you are not supposed to go that side. Excuse me, come back.
Come back.
Come back.
Who is there?
26 years back, this place was inaugurated by the governor of Bihar. And after that, no more renovation in this place needed. The way it is. So anybody in the field of architecture in future or engineering in future, try to go for eco-architecture. These days we have like green buildings, green architecture. Okay, if there is Vajrapat, that is lightning, earthquakes, natural calamities, this place is resistant free. Earthquake, this place is resistant free. Now so many homes are coming up, no? Societies are coming up. Okay, with all these, natural calamities resistant. Okay, earthquake proof, flood proof. This is one place over here. We make a line.